With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in the given question, we have been provided that in permanganate titration, potassium permanganate is used as an oxidizing agent in acidic medium. Okay, the medium is maintained acidic by the use of dilute sulphuric acid. The reaction is also provided to us. Okay, and finally at the end, we have been asked that in order to prepare 1 liter of one normal solution, okay, or normal solution of KMnO4, how many grams of KMnO4 is required if solution is used in acidic medium for oxidation. Okay, so in acidic medium, as we can see, our Mn initial oxidation state is +7, it becomes Mn2 plus. Okay, so as we can see, the change in oxidation state or N factor is 5. Now we have been provided that the normality of the compound is 1. Okay, now normality is equals to molarity into N factor. So we can calculate the molarity will be 1 by 5, that is 0.2. Okay, so there are 0.2 moles per liter, and we know that the weight of 1 mole of KMnO4 is 158. Now our volume of the solution is 1 liter. We have been provided the solution volume is 1 liter, so we can find moles, or we can find the given weight. We have to find the given weight, so that will be, given weight will be molarity into volume into the molecular weight, that is 158. When we do this multiplication, our answer comes out to be 31.6 grams. So our answer is option number C. Okay, and here we have utilized the formula that molarity equals to given weight upon molecular weight into volume in liter. Okay, so our answer is option number C for the given question. Okay, sorry, it is option number B. Okay, our answer is option number B. 31.6 gram KMnO4 is required.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.